I've always believed in starting small, just starting where you are. I believe that, creativity is something that starts first of all in your mind. And if your mind is creative, you always find a way. You won't be limited by your space or by the tools that you have. I think some of my best work has come out of places where, space was limited or tools were limited, and I had to leverage on my mind. So if you are starting out, I think you should invest in your mind, chase knowledge, because in the end, knowledge is power. So chase knowledge.